So what you're going to do is just going to be looking into that. Isaac Sonka, my name, and I'm a volunteer with Activista Uganda from Kampala. We are here in Namutumba, trying to cover the activity that we have here of a football game, which you use to try and engage the youth on developmental issues in your sub-county. But I would want to know from you who you are and what you do.
Okay. This is the name I'm calling Likuno Hussein. This council in the sub-county, Namutumba district. Actual Action Aid has planned this game for the youth, but we have our views or problems as the youth of Namutumba district, which we wanted to tell the leaders and even the Action Aid workers to help us. We as the youth of Nsinze, Sub-County, Ivukura and Chibali, we came together and we said, we made a decision and we talked about the problems we are facing as the youth of Namutumba. That's why today we are here to tell those leaders, to tell them what challenges do we get from we are passing through. That's why you are seeing many youth here. The game is going on, and one of the problems we are facing, we as the youth of Namutumba, which we wanted those leaders to help us, we have unemployment. And unemployment, you see, the youth of Namutumba, they lack employment, whereby you can complete your studies, you have papers, but when you are lacking where to go, where to work. So it's also part of the problem. And another problem is education support. You may have your parents when they are poor, but when they are poor, being poor, no one can help you, no one can help us to go ahead with your studies. So we as the youth of Namutumba, we are requesting for the leaders to help us. Even if they get us, they give us sponsorship, such things, can help us. Another issue is about school dropout. Girls these days here in Namutumba district, they are leaving, they are dropping out from schools because they lack counseling. Even their parents are tough. Sometimes if you have what you want to a parent to buy for you, a pen, a book, you fear to go to that parent. Lack of skills and knowledge. We are lacking skill and knowledge. And that's why we are ending up when we are unemployed. We are lacking employment. Another issue is about early marriages. Girls, the age of marriage is not good here in Namutumba. Transparency in youth programs. In Namutumba, the problem we have about this transparency, you can have a program from the State House or a government program, but when it reaches there at the district level, those who are at the district level, they can use those things without sending those things to the ground. So that's also a problem, transparency and equal rights. You may find that a girl is not given the same right with a boy. So those are one of the problems we are facing here in Namutumba district as the youth. That's why we are here today. Action Aid has organized this, and we have, in part of Action Aid, we have this group known as Activista. It is a youth group. It combines the whole district. It is an activity. So it is Namutumba, it is Nsinze, Ivukura plus Chibali. So that's why we are here today.
Okay. The other thing we need to find out is that you've mentioned quite a number of problems. But what do you think can be done by either the government? What do you think Action Aid can do? What do you think the district leadership can do? What do you think the councillors can do?
on the side of the government, what we want from the government is that at least they can build for us at least over this vocational institution. You see, a vocational institution can help the youth, whereby you may be at the lower level, you don't have you have not even why you don't have papers for senior 6C, but you want to go ahead with the studies and you want to get skills and knowledge. So when they build us this vocational institution, it means that the idea what the knowledge we are going to get from there is going to help us as the youth. Because I can go there and I start out to I do any course of mechanics or engineering, such things that in that institution. On the side of the council is also part of the government. But those councillors, the reason why the councillors are also invited is that those ones, they are the one who take information to the district level. So that's why they are also involved in this thing. On the side of Action Aid, of course Action Aid has played the role. The role of Action Aid, they are the scene. Because they are the one who have organized this thing. It was our ideas and they have supported us. So the thing is taking place. So it is our time to say what we want. Yeah. So Action Aid has no problem about this. I know it's also involved in these things. It's helping us. Anytime it will be okay, I think.
Okay, what is your advice to the youth?
My advice to the youth of Namutumba, is to be patient. Because when you are patient, it means that you don't gamble with words such we're getting this one, no, this one is doing this. So being hardworking, yeah, it's the main point. It's hardworking. So that's what I tell them.
Have you heard of the youth fund?
Yeah, of course.
Can you say something about did that money get here? Did people receive it? Can you say something about it briefly?
About that youth fund, because this fund, there is the first youth fund. It was the president who sent that money from the State House through the bank. I know that one through the bank. They sent people from those banks. They came and sensitized the youth what to do. At the end, the youth ended up with nothing they got from that program. And we have even this money the president gave out to the youth of Namutumba. But you may find that one youth can grab that money and run off with that money. That's the problem we have. Rather than sitting with the friends or with the youth councils of Namutumba district and they see what to do in that money, a youth can run off with that money. When even that money, you may find that even the leaders who are not youth, they're also involved in that scene. So that's the problem we have. That's why I've been talking about transparency. That when the money comes at the district level, let them.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay.
Thanks for your time. It's been nice talking to you.